Okay, welcome everyone to my tutorial. This is just an intro to MySQL. So in this tutorial we'll be focusing in simple MySQL command that you can run for beginners, by the way. Okay, this is an introduction running MySQL using Linux. So you can use any Linux operating system. You can use Kali, Debian, you can use Kali, Ubuntu, etc. So the first thing that you need to do in order for you to run MySQL in Linux, first of all you need to install it, and then this tutorial is it assumes that you have already installed MySQL in your operating system. And then you must know that MySQL is running as part of services in Linux, and then it is not case sensitive. So first of all we are going to run MySQL service. So we're gonna say service tab MySQL start. Since the command is executed without giving me an error, that means the command is fine, everything is fine. So in order to confirm that MySQL is running in your Linux, you can use different methods. You can use netstate -antp to see the process that MySQL is running on, the ID process that MySQL is running on. You can press enter. As you can see, like MySQL is running on localhost port 3306, and then the ID process is 8553 MySQL. You can also use another Linux command called top. So top is going to give you every process that is running in your Linux operating system. So let me just stop this. Control C. You can just say top grep let us say grep this ID, enter. Okay, as you can see, like this command was able to grab this MySQL ID. So this is the method that you can use in order to check the process that are running and then to grab their IDs. So without going any further, let us continue with our MySQL command. Control C to stop this. To clear your screen, you can type clear, or you can just say Control L. So the first thing that you need to do is to write MySQL start. So now when you are in MySQL, if you want to check the version that you are running, of course, like you can just check it here, but if you want to issue a command, MySQL command that is going to do that for you, you can just say select version, and then open and close bracket. You can press enter, or you can push the semicolon, press enter. So it's gonna print you a version that is currently running in your Linux operating system of MySQL, of course. So if you want to print a version that is running and the current date, you can say select version, put the comma, and then you say current underscore, then say date. You can put what? A semicolon, press enter. So it's gonna print for you the version and the current date. So if you want to print the vision, the current date, and the current user, you can type let me just say select user, open and close bracket. Okay, so now if you want to see the current user, I'm gonna say select user, select vision, current date, press enter. Okay, there is a mistake somewhere. Let me just do this. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, clear, enter. So as you can see, it gave me the user, then the current date. So let us go to the first command that we executed. Let me just give it a space here. So select user, select vision, and the current date, enter. Okay, this command does not accept this. So now if you wanna if you wanna check the time and the date now, you can use can just say select now semicolon, enter. So it's going to give you the date, the current date, and the time. So let me say we just want to do a simple calculation using Mysql. You can just say select scene, and then I can open and close bracket, put pi, and then open and close bracket, / you can put 4, and then you can put a comma, and then you can put any number that you want to calculate. For example, you can say 10 plus 20, and then you can close the command, you can end the command, and then press enter. So it's gonna tell you that okay, 10 plus 20 is 30. So for example, let me say you wanna calculate 10 times 20 is how much. You can do that and put a times command. So it's gonna tell you 10 times 20 is what? Is 200. So if you wanna divide that, you can just use a division command, which is the / division sign, by the way, and then it's gonna give you the answer. So let me say you wanna check the database that exists in your Mysql. You're gonna say show databases, and then end the statement, enter. So it's going to show you all of the database that exist. So let me say you want to use one of the database that you have here. You can say use, for example, I want to use the SA database. You can say s_a_info, and you can say enter. So now as you can see, it's going to say database changed to SA info. So now if you want to see the tables that exist within this database, you can say show tables, press enter. So it's going to show you that inside this database SA info we have another table called SA info. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.